Alright, tonight we have a great unboxing for you. Just came in the mail today. And that unboxing is the new Warhammer 40K game called Tooth and Claw. Alright, Fred and I have been waiting for this one. This is really going to be cool. The box art looks freaking fantastic. You know, it just looks cool. It's the back of the box. Gives you a picture of the miniatures you get with it. Of course, you know, in true Games Workshop fashion, all the miniatures are unpainted and unassembled, so you got to put them together, and you got to, you know, paint them to some standard, I guess. Sides of the box shows some more like great artwork. Tyranids and Space Wolves in this one, which I really never was a Space Wolf fan. My favorite chapter has always been the Crimson Fist, because the Crimson Fist were the first Space Marine chapter on the cover of the original Rogue Trader box. Let's pop the shrink wrap on this puppy and see what we get. Open it up. There we go. Split that. Fred 7 is with us, of course. Gotta love Fred 7, Battalion Commander from Alpha Base. Go. Here's the shrink wrap. Put that down there. Gonna crack open the box here. Here we go. Excuse me a minute, Fred. Go. The smell when you first crack something open. I'll put the lid right over here. And here we have sprues of miniatures. Games Workshop and their lovely sprues. Alright. This appears to be the Space Wolves of some sort. More Space Wolves. There's sprue of Space Wolves. Go. Here they are with their chain swords and power swords and such. It's a pretty neat little sprue right there. Another little sprue of things. Pretty cool stuff. I think that's the Genestealers of some type. Here's another Genestealer one. That has the body, the torso of one of them. Right there. Hope you can see that. Hope the lighting is good enough. Space Wolves has the cloak, one of the wolf cloaks and stuff like that. This looks like it might be the Dreadnought that comes in there. Again, I don't know. I've never opened up money the first time opening it up. Just making an educated guess. I guess. So, their Genestealer sprue. Pretty cool looking stuff right there. Cool looking stuff. Another one of these two sprue things. This looks like it's the weapons to the Dreadnought. I think I got some big heavy armament on him there. I mean, my god, look at him. There we go. This might actually be pretty cool to put together and stuff. These are all Genestealers, or other forms of Tyranids. Good. Yeah. More Genestealers. And last sprue is going to be, well, what do you know? Genestealers. Genestealer cult, that type of thing. Which I think they just recently brought that back into the game. It was absent for a long time in the game. There we go. Got this matte thing. Art, which is just a replica of the cover art without the Warhammer 40,000 logo on it. That's pretty nice. It's dinged up though because the sprues were sitting on it, so I don't know how I feel about that, but whatever. Decals. Space Wolves. Right? Pretty cool stuff. And of course all the bases and stuff like that. There's a mixture of round bases and slot bases here. And it seems like Games Workshop's moving away from the slot bases. I'm not sure why. But that's just what it appears to me anyway. I have a bunch of bases in the bag. Here's all the books and everything. Put the bottom of the box over here to kind of get it out of the way. We're going to open this up. Next is what we're going to do. Yeah. And this would be all the books, all the guides and everything like that in here. Plastic bag here. Okay. Well, here. Core Rules gives you a flip out sheet of the Warhammer 8th edition. Warhammer 40,000 8th edition rules. Pretty neat stuff. I haven't read the 8th edition rules yet. Guess I'm gonna learn. We played a lot of 2nd edition Warhammer back in the day, man. Whoo, God, did we ever. Okay, so assembly instructions and statistics for the troops. Not too bad. Oh, it comes in different languages, that's what it is. English, French, Spanish, Deutsch, and Italian. Okay, cool. Price is the same thing in each language, I don't know. But anyway, I see it tells you the color guide, what to paint each individual figure, things like that. Pretty neat stuff. That's for the Primaris Battle Leader. Sorry about that. Acolytes. Same thing, right? Just a painting guide and an assembly guide. Pretty cool stuff. Yep. I'll give you a painting guide for him though. I wonder why. Oh yeah, they do right here on the back. Duh. Alright. Pretty cool stuff. Ooh, acolytes. Oh dude, one dude has a freaking saw. Look at that thing, man, right there. Right there. Right there. Looks like Bozo Destructo from Gwar. Sorry, I'm a Gwar fan. I gotta wear Gwar in like every video, I think, or something from now on, maybe. What do you think, Fred? You think that's the thing? Yeah, okay, so do I. See? Fred's right here. Whoop. Here we go. All the assembly instructions, standard Games Workshop stuff, gives you all the options and everything like that. Not too bad, not too shabby, not too shabby. I don't see a painting guide though, maybe because they give you the other one, they figure it's pretty cross compatible or something maybe? It's not on the back like it was last time, that much I know. Oh yeah. Genestealers, just plain old Genestealers. Yeah, lots of attacks, lots of claws, lots of just mean stuff, punching right through the line. Once Genestealers get into hand-to-hand combat, it's way too late. You're done. You're just done, and that's all there is to it. You know, man. Tyranids are just so nasty at close range. That's really where they excel. Is close range. Here's the Dreadnought that comes with Space Wolves. Jeez Louise, look at that freaking hunk of metal right there. Ka-chunk. I mean, look at him. You're God. There's the painting guide for him. And again, it's just standard assembly instructions and statistics with them. Wow, heavy onslaught Gatling gun, 12 shots. Dear God, are you serious? Strength 5, AP -1. Alright, pretty good stuff. I mean, 12 shots, something's gonna get through. Use that against the Tyranids. Whenever facing Tyranids, I think you want to use, like, you know, things that do get multiple shots. Because not a lot of their stuff has a lot of armor to it, especially like the Hormagaunts, Termagaunts type things and stuff like that. So, you know, here's the Space Wolves Primaris Intercessors Combat Squad. Okay, so they give you a 5-man combat squad. Not too bad, not too bad. Again, assembly instructions, what do you want them armed with, which heads do you want, that type of thing. Again, no color guide that I see. Maybe because he gave you one on the other one, I would think. Not on the back. We learned to always check the back, right? Here's the Aberrants, which are the Genestealers. Again, assembly stuff, guys with hammers, I guess. Genestealers with hammers, right? Heavy metal Genestealers. What can I tell you, right? They give you the painting guide here. And then on the back, they give you some cool, like, you know, art piece that has the models in there. It's pretty neat. The Aberrants, looks like the Aberrants are fighting, like, chaos or something, maybe? I don't know. Here's the Primaris Aggressors. I guess these are kind of like the Terminator Light, I guess, or something, maybe? I don't know. All I know is Space Marine Terminators strike fear into the hearts of everybody that has to face them, because they can teleport in and all types of crap like that. You know, so that's the thing. So again, air assembly instructions, right? Statistics, yada yada yada. And then we have the color guide for them. Right, here's the front of it. I don't know if I showed the front or not. And here's the back. I've been using Army Painter paints for my for a lot of my armies and stuff like that. I'll show you the glue I use in a minute. I found this great glue for miniatures. It's freaking awesome. It sets up fast, but not too fast, and it stays in place. It doesn't run everywhere or anything like that. Here we go. Here's the rule book. Here's the introduction. Oh, it starts off with a really fabulous piece of art on the inside cover. Kind of gets you in the mood. And it has the armies represented in the game, which is nice. There you go. Another of that full art cover art. And again, just the art in the book is just fantastic. Just fantastic art. Here's the Genestealers just, you know, pouring forth from, I guess, their hideout or something like that. I mean, these are just great pieces of art. It gives you rules for the data sheets. Everything looks like it's laid out pretty nice. And of course, they give you the gallery of miniatures, the heavy metal artist paint stuff that, you know, normal people can never hope to achieve that standard, but we try. And most of us just accept defeat. I've been told I'm a pretty good painter, but I don't know. I've always judged myself kind of harshly on that. Here is the Genestealers. Again, glorious models. Just the detail on them really brings out the paint. And that's one thing about Games Workshop miniatures is, man, are they ever detailed. And it gives you some scenarios, I guess, or something. Yeah, missions. Okay, missions, scenarios. Faith and Fire, Cave-In. Pretty cool stuff. Alright. And we end it with the inside back cover of a full Genestealer. Pretty cool stuff, man. It's not too bad at all. And then the back cover just shows a little like thumbnail picture of Space Wolves and Genestealers going at it. Alright? Oh, back to the glue. Give me 1 second. No, I still got this one in the package here. But I found this at Lowe's. I was looking for a different type of glue. I think it was about $5 a bottle. This stuff rocks. It's not like a runny glue. It's more of a gel, which means it just stays where you put it, and then you can attach your piece to it. And you got about 10 seconds to kind of move it around a little bit before it is just stuck there. Alright, so if you want something that's fast acting, it's not runny like Zappa Gap is. I found Zappa Gap tends to just run everywhere, right? This stuff's great. Get this stuff, you know, this stuff is great. One little dab, will do it. Okay, and you know they're not a sponsor of mine or anything like that. They just put out a really, really good product. All right, so there it is, Tooth and Claw, Warhammer 40,000 game. Really, it looks like it's going to be a neat freaking game. I can't wait to assemble, paint the miniatures, and play this. My 9-year-old wants to get into Warhammer, so him and I are we're gonna make it. We're gonna play some Warhammer. What can I tell you, right? Pretty cool stuff. In the next 2-3 weeks, I'm looking to get kill teams as well. So I'll probably be doing an unboxing of kill teams. All right. Until then, this is Adam Sleazy Veezy, Supreme Commander of Alpha Base, and Fred 7, Battalion Commander of Alpha Base, signing off. Y'all have a great night.